Welcome back to the channel. So it is Thursday, which is my Friday. It's me finished for the weekend, and this is the third film from 3 lovely afternoons this week. So we're going to ride west out of Gullin on the A198, the infamous Coast Road, which is kind of ruined now with no overtaking lines and speed restrictions and the likes, but once upon a time it wasn't. The whole road was 60 mile an hour all the way. We've even got 40s here now. Ridiculous. Greenkeepers are working still at Gullin, not home as early as us. So this road has kind of lost its shine now, but it's still a beautiful run. It's always busy now though, always busy. And now you can see there's no overtaking sign, lines and stuff. Okay. This is Quarry Corner, of course, hence Gala Hill is behind us, is the quarry. I used to scrape our exhaust all the way around that on CB200s, but the amount of bike crashes on this road over the years, and cars, unbelievable. This is the AA corner, because there was an AA box there, and then idiots burned it down. And then pre-mobile phones there was a normal phone there, emergency phone. The road surface here is knackered, it's all been snow ploughed or something, and the bike will twitch, especially on road tyres. Not so bad on these Haidenu trail tyres. I took it, which is Loftness Estate, Loftness House. Nature Reserve on our right, the famous bridge. It's not a day for going fast, as you can see, it's damp and greasy. This is Natchez Corner. High tide as well. I've got so many films to make, which I'll try and get round to this year. So that's Quarry House. That used to be the house of the late author Nigel Tranter, the Scottish historian, and he walked every day. And I've got a film to do about all that. He was a friend of my late dad's and visited our house quite often. And he actually came to primary school and gave talks on local history, and I think it was probably the only thing I found interesting at school, you know that. So this is Aberlady. Most of you know this because you've been watching me for a while. So this is this is my home village. This is where I grew up. We used to jump BMXs across there to clear the middle line. They were the days, eh? No fear. Absolutely no fear. The community village hall was, of course, the drill hall. It had a rifle range in it, and it was an army hall. The Chippy Corner, now an Indian shop, Indian restaurant, and it used to be Newsiegent's chip shop. Famous chip shop at one time. Not good, but famous for being so busy. That's good, we're going to get past the first. The Market Cross, which doesn't have a cross on it. So, yeah, where I grew up. Set of stone steps up here on the right, outside the church. Probably wonder what they are. They're one of the most famous sets. That's called a louping on stone, see that? So they were for the ladies to get on and off, dignified, get on and off their horses. Because obviously they wear long riding skirts then, on the roadside saddle. So this is the mile straight. Up on the right is Craig Law, one of the farms for Gosford Estate, and that's where I grew up. My parents lived in Aberlady when I was born, but my earliest memories are up there at the farm. And this was all my playground. From bicycles then, motorbikes. Okay, we'll go up the mile, round the coast. Into Gosford Estate. And now the Coast Road gets fun, all the way to Port Seaton. swear from Aberlady to here, to Port Seaton, is probably the best set of bendy, windy roads around here. And don't let folk tell you need the latest must-have bike to ride that road fast. I've witnessed an XT600 with road tyres on it, showing a clean pair of heels in one of the first Fireblades when they came out. The guy was gobsmacked, and it was me on the XT. He came up behind me and he passed me, and then I actually underpassed him on a bend, and he absolutely freaked. We're going to turn around here anyway. Sadly, like as I say, it's all speed restricted and no overtaking, stuff like that. But many a summer night spent just racing up and down, up and down. You can see us doing 100 miles in a night, just going down the 15 miles of coast. So this A198 runs all the way from Musselburgh all the way around the coast to Dunbar. Brilliant road. So the reason I'm a little this way is I'm going to my mum's for tea tonight. Go see my good old mum. She's doing away fine. Mini 2 drone for that. That's kind of become a suicidal drone now, so I've had my money's worth out of it. So if I do crash it and lose it or whatever, or drown it, well, it's by something to do her. I said this was never no overtaking. It was all. This is one of the few sections that has still been left. But yeah, the amount of folk I know that have crashed cars and motorbikes. I only came off twice on the coast. At the nature corner, nature reserve corner, and at the mile corner. And I walked away from both crashes. But bent and wrote off both frames of both bikes. That said XT600 and an old Honda CB200. What a laugh. Bit of work going on in there. It's nice just to cruise along in 4th gear like this and just soak up the scenery. When it's windy you get a lot of kite surfers use this, so it's good to come and watch them. So yeah, the Coast Road. So the time you see this, it will be end of January. We'll actually be into February probably, so you'll have light mornings hopefully, so I'll be able to film going to work, because it's just a glowing red to the east where I'm coming to work in the morning. Subscribe please, and if you enjoyed this, leave a like. for it, so they're always skippable adverts. Anyway, I'm off. See you later. Bye for now.